Thought I would check the air filter on the Massey 1105, and so I pulled the screens. Well, actually I pulled the one here, and I'm always looking for mice, and then I pulled the one up here, and the filters are clean. They look like they're brand new. Actually, there's the main filter and then the outer filter. All that stuff looks great. And then there's, at the base of this filter housing, there's a little tube that comes down, and it you can't really see it. Maybe if I do like that, you can see it. So, you know, from time to time you're supposed to give these things a little squeeze and let debris out of your air cleaner housing. And I gave it a little squeeze, and it was, I don't know, a little bit of dirt fell out of it. I was like, And what I was trying to get was, there's some little red flakes, almost look like leaves, little bits of leaves, or something a mouse might would, something a mouse might would put in there, but it was just very little. And so when I reached over here to push my finger down, I noticed that this thing, and again, I don't think you can see anything. I noticed that the tube coming down to this was blocked, and it felt like dirt. It felt like dirt. And so I kind of reached up in there with my finger and pushed on it a little bit, and I got a little bit of dirt to come out. And then I had this old nut driver thing. It was close by. So I pushed it up in there, and I got some more dirt. And then I thought, oh boy, I need to take this thing off. So I pulled it off. It just kind of has a little place where it fits up on there. And I pulled it off and reached up with my finger, and there's just the thing was just packed full. The idea that you'd empty anything out of this housing via this guy right here wasn't going to happen. So I pulled it off, and I took this guy, and I just kind of broke everything loose, and then got it. I got everything uncaked inside there. So hopefully that's something I'll keep an eye on. But we're not doing tillage, and this tractor came out of Indiana, and I reckon that's probably dirt from Indiana. But we don't need it in this thing. So I posted the video to show you that, but also suggest that you might check the opening that comes down to this thing and make sure it's clear, so that when you squeeze it, a little bit of stuff will come out, but it won't be clogged. So that's the video for today. 1105 Massey Ferguson, and we'll talk to you later.